Today I'm going to show you how to make this animated video using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Choose this video resolution. You can upload your own images that you want to use in the animation from uploads. I'm just going to use this images. Drag the first image and go to transparency and make the transparency 40. The second step, add your text. Change the font and change the color. Type another text and select both of them and group and place them down and go to elements again and drag the second image, resize it, go to layer, show layers and drag it to the top and add new page. And let's use this lemon slice image. Let's place one of them here, duplicate and place the second one here, edit and blur whole image, increase the intensity to 50 or 60, make the same for the second one, make it blur and select both of them and click group and copy and paste in the first page and drag this iced lemon tea image. Let's increase the size like this. Go to the second page and just delete, duplicate, go to the second page and go to layer, show layers, click in this sliced lemons and decrease this image and hide it behind this image. Drag this image a little bit down and click in this gradient image as well and drag it down and click on the text and drag it to the top. And now let's add this slice of lemon. Go to layers, show layers and make it behind this image and drag it to the right side and keep just this transparent part and duplicate this page. Go to the third page and rotate this gradient image and move it to the left side. Click on the text, move it to the right side and click on this sliced lemon and drag it inside and rotate it a little bit and duplicate this page. Go to the last page, click on this gradient image, increase the size, click in this sliced lemon, increase the size as well and rotate it a little bit. Drag this image to the middle of the page. Let's increase a little bit the timing and add new text in the last page. Let's change the font to Anton and change the color to white color. Go to effects, make left shadow and increase the intensity and make italics style and rotate the text a little bit like this. Type the next word. Duplicate this text and select all. Type just letter F and delete the letter F from this word and replace it with this one. Click in this word, animate with bonds, and click in this letter, animate with stamp. Go to lemon and animate with block. And now let's adjust the timing. Let's make letter F the first and make this appear after and make the lemon appear last. And now at transition, match and move, increase the duration and apply between all pages. Let's decrease the timing of each page. Let's make it just 2 seconds. Apply it to all pages. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.